Okay, you got me. What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another reaction. So today I am reacting to Culture's PS. It's Sunday. We gotta chill a little bit, and I'm gonna do it really quick. Jack Butoko's calculations, one of the biggest videographers out there in Southern Africa, or in Africa, period. According to my study, yeah, one of the biggest guys out there. You know what I mean? So Jack Butloko, Culture's PS Mookodi, that's the name of the song. Let's get to it. It's beautiful out there. Yo. This guy can make videos, eh? I'm gonna make it small so that you guys gonna check it out on his YouTube channel. I don't know. Can you see his YouTube channel there? Maybe let's increase that. Go check out Jack Butloko's YouTube channel. Then you will know. You will know what I'm talking about. Okay, so sounds like a Tswana thing.
Kamunela ko pizza peri aitumela. Kamunela ko pizza peri aitumela. Ene aitumela. Aitumela. Mookodi. 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 Mookodi banya. Mookodi banya. Mookodi banya. Mookodi banya. Mookodi.
Wow, it's like it's the song is super fast. It's like it's been sped up. Oh my goodness. And the video is matching the song. That's crazy. Oh, hold on. I gotta start it. I know why it sounds so fast. Crazy. I was like, what? Let's start it from my bad. I was like, yo, this sounds so.
Kamunela ko pizza peri aitumela. Kamunela ko pizza peri aitumela. Ene.
This sounds normal. Oh my goodness, this is embarrassing. Okay. Beautiful video though.
Aitumela. Aitumela. Mookodi we.
Yeah, I was like, okay, Culture's PS, they have changed their whole thing. It's just okay. I'm gonna.
Mookodi we. Mookodi we. Mookodi banya. Mookodi banya. Mookodi banya. Mookodi banya. Mookodi we. Mookodi we. Mookodi we. Satineli firima kamanelo adipotsane. Kine kile majako kotsodi. Antiela metsi angkwan.
So technically, I can translate to you guys what the song is saying, but it's what the song means that I feel like I'm too young. Yeah. Most of the time, you find that Tswana songs don't actually say what you think they're saying, especially cultural songs like this. They have two things. When a kid is listening, it's like enjoying the whole thing. But when a parent is listening, they're hearing a different thing. Isn't that beautiful? That's like what do military people do to communicate? That thing where there's like this, they make the tapping sound, and one other guy can know what that tap means, and yet you can do this and you don't even know you are doing something. That's Tswana music for me.
Kota selala le molelo yasika yatima. Mookodi we. Mookodi we. Mookodi we. Mookodi we. Mookodi banyana. Mookodi banyana. Mookodi banyana. Mookodi banyana. Se sepasika tolela pampitsa boro machine mojine wa majeremane sentebe ka dipopego o tla bona ka maduo ke pile dibatse ditona ke mogogo molele ke mogogo molele Mookodi we Mookodi we Mookodi we Mookodi we Mookodi banyana Mookodi banyana Mookodi banyana Mookodi banyana Kale moga gore moga se boetelo ke bonno ke bua ka pelo ke itumetse ka bala malatsi ka bala dikgwedi ngwaga wa wela ke lebetse ko gae Mookodi we Mookodi we Mookodi we Mookodi we Mookodi banyana Mookodi banyana Mookodi banyana Mookodi banyana Mookodi we Mookodi we
Hold on. So the main singer in this group, let me take it back. Maybe they're gonna show. Is one of the triplets, and I think one passed away. So I think this is one of his sisters. Isn't that cool?
sepasika tolela sepasika tolela ke mogogo molele ke mogogo molele ga dirakana di tsaya taolo ga dirakana ra itumela o ta utlwa go di bopa o ta utlwa go mo di sholoma.
Now you see me?
Yeah.
No, you
okay. Jack Bukoka
Did you see me?
paid.
Bro, let me go. I'm Toy Kids, and this is my magic trick. Now you see me? Now you don't.
So basically, that's Jack Butler's YouTube page, Culture Spears. I think they've been doing this for a very long time. This song is actually 8 months old. Ah, okay. I'm too late to the party. Yeah, please go check it out, man. Go check out his YouTube page. Obviously, there's lots and lots of entertainment in there, lots and lots of dancers, and yeah, I could spend the whole day talking about this guy because I think he's very, very open to content. He has done content with people from Lesotho, South Africa, big artists from South Africa, and I think he's open to do more stuff with more people out there. So if you, anyway, that's enough. Thank you so much for watching this, man. If you're watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. See you guys on the other side.